Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a pretty cool one for you guys. TOZO was kind enough to send out their T6 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds out free for review. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. IPX8 waterproof, high stereo sound quality, upgraded faster wireless charging, and super lightweight design. So let's go ahead, crack this open and see what we've got. So I'm gonna use Senior Stabby to just cut through some of this plastic. And let's see what we've got inside here. I'm very excited to try these out. Designed by TOZO in California. This looks just like a little Apple packet. That is cool. Quick start guide and a user manual. So that looks like it's how to pair it and some of the controls in case you ever lose your manual. There you guys go. User manual, well, this is the longer one, I guess. Tells you how to charge it. Looks pretty easy, pretty run of the mill. Let's go ahead and set this over here. And here are the earbuds themselves. This is very Apple-like packaging. That is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and peel this off. I'm curious. So TOZO Activate 18-month warranty. Very nice to see that. And wow, this is like a black AirPods case. What the heck? Except it's got the charging indicator right here, USB-C slot at the bottom. Very nice. All right. Looks like we also have the charging cable as well as the ear tips in here. Let's see if that's the case or not. And sliding it out, looks like we have a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And then I think the earbuds are just in a little baggie in here. Let's see. Yeah, so extra ear tips in case you need a different size. Here are the earbuds themselves. Let's go ahead and pull them out. Take a look at them here. All right, so that's what the case looks like. Peel this plastic off. Okay, so that should actually activate these because there was a little piece of plastic over this portion. So let's see. Yep, there we go. Now they're charging up. So I guess that's just for shipping. They put that plastic on there so that it's not like charging the entire time. But it looks like this just lit up as well. Let's see if we can pair this up with my phone and see how easy or difficult that is. All right, so to pair them up, looks like you have to take them out of here. There we go. And they should start showing up on my phone here any second. And of course, there they are, the TOZO T6. So I'm gonna click on that and we'll be good to go. All right, so these earbuds are connected. This is again what they look like. All right, so it looks like it uses ENC for call noise reduction. I didn't see any manual way to change any noise reduction, but I will say this type of ear tip right here really does block out a lot of the ambient sounds. So that is something that is worth noting. Now for the price of these, at least looks like they're about 27 bucks right now. So yeah, if you're looking for a very cheap but very punchy pair of earbuds, I'm already going to tell you, check these out. So as you can see right now, I am updating these earbuds. So I downloaded the TOZO app and was messing around with it. It's really cool. I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. But while I was in there, it said, hey, you got an update. So I am updating the earbuds right now. I've got the base wirelessly charging on this little MagSafe puck right here that I use for like iPhones and stuff. Wireless charging works flawlessly here. Yeah, overall, everything's going very well. I've listened to a ton of music and so far it is sounding really good, but I will check in after this update. And I will say this update is going pretty slowly. I mean, the download took less than, half a second, but installing is taking a little bit of time. All right, guys, this is finally finishing up. That is one thing TOZO definitely needs to work on is the upgrade times. That took way too long, but hopefully in the future they will fix that. But it looks like it should be done. I guess we'll see what happens here. It's been okay, update success, that's perfect. And there we go. So I wanna show you guys this app. It's actually really cool. So a couple cool things about this app that wasn't really advertised when I was, getting geared up for this review. But basically this app allows you to see in real time the battery of the left and right earbuds. You can also see the current EQ, which you can change on the fly. So you can literally be listening to music like right now and then switch it to a different profile for EQ and it will change on the fly and you can see what you like the best. So bass plus, personally, you know me, I like it a little bit more. So then what I would do, I would go ahead and hit that and hit save. So bass plus is what I would use. Now, if you're like, bass plus is really good, but it would sound a little bit better if I tweaked it. You can just go ahead and tap this and go ahead and tweak whatever you want to tweak just as you want it. And then you can hit that little save button and it will save that as bass plus from now on. So I think that's a really cool feature. There's a lot more in here. You can see their different products, their community, stuff like that. I don't have an account or anything, but if you hit this little settings cog, you can go ahead and update. But I am on the latest version, so no need to do that. Anyways, just wanted to show you this app real quick. Very basic, it gets the job done. You mess with your EQ, you set it, you forget it, and you move on. So let's go ahead and get back to testing the music. Taking these out right now. This is incredible. For the price, this is really, really, really good. So I changed the EQ and that changed everything. Now the bass is hitting just the way I want it to. These sound fantastic for the price. I really can't believe they're 27 bucks. If you are looking for a heavy hitting pair of earbuds, check these out. The sound quality is very good actually for this price. I can't believe it. Everything's crisp. I didn't hear any clipping. The bass is really good. You can change the EQ. Very nice wireless charging earbuds case right here. You just drop them in when you're done with them and they will charge up. And then you just charge this up wirelessly or with a USB-C cable. I mean, this is the whole package for 27 bucks. The only thing it doesn't have is active noise cancellation like some of the other more expensive ones, but personally, these go so far in your ear with those little, ear tips. Active noise cancellation isn't going to do much more than that. Overall, I highly recommend these for the price, at least at the time of filming. This does get a little bit of fingerprints, but it is what it is. But yeah, it's hard to complain when they're 27 bucks. Check these out. If you're in the market for a new pair of earbuds, or you just want a pack to keep in your gym bag or your go bag for when you're going on a trip. If these were closer to 40 bucks, even upwards of 45 bucks, I would still say these are a good deal. But for 27, I mean, these are probably the best around this price point that you can get. So check them out, guys. Links down below. If you like the video, hit the big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.